welcome back to a new nail polish review video in Artsy Nails Naillogy by Dipanwita. You're with me, Dipanwita, your honest and genuine nail polish reviewer. And today I'm going to talk about this brand called Avon. It's definitely an international brand, but it's widely available and very popular in India. So I just thought that let's make a review of this brand. I have a few nail polishes from its collection. So please keep on watching and do subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of review videos already and I've been coming up with more review videos. So yeah, I'm sure you will like my content. So please keep on watching. So first let me make sure that I'm going to review the Pro Plus Nail Enamel collection or the series from Avon and not the small triangular bottles. I really don't like that at all. So this is how the Pro Nail Enamel of Avon series looks like. It's got a rectangular or squarish type of glass bottle with a black plastic cap, and I really like the packaging. It looks really sleek and nice. And in front you will get the things Avon True Color written, and the shade name will also be written in front of the bottle, and below it is written that it's a Pro Plus Nail Enamel, and also the volume of this nail enamel is written right in front of the bottle, right at the base, and it's 8 ml of product in here in this bottle. And at the back you get some general information about this nail paints. The volume is once again written, but the price is not really written anywhere in the bottle. And at the base of the bottle you will find the manufacturer and the expiry dates written, and this polishes have a shelf life of 3 years. So let's take a look inside. The brush is actually really perfect. The width is really suited for all sizes of nails, like be it narrow or wider nails, it will suit it perfectly. And the wand length is also perfect. I really like this one. The nail polish is quite fluid and it's not really very runny or thick or gloopy, so the consistency is already really perfect. It doesn't really have any strong abnormal odor as well. Now let me take you through the swatches and I'll come back right after that.
I know.
Those were all the swatches of the Avon nail paints that I could put my hands on. So as you saw, the nail polishes are really glossy in finish. They almost give a gel-like finish. I really like this finish of these nail paints, and you will get this finish in a really inexpensive amount. These nail polishes I think cost around 130 rupees, but I got these nail polishes from different Avon agents. Every one of them actually charge differently, but I remember I bought this from 110 to 130 rupees, so it depends on offers and discounts going on at different times. I think are available online in Amazon, and for offline availability you will have to get in contact with the Avon resellers or the agents. To talk about the technical facts, so these nail paints are not toxic free. I never found anything about these polishes being toxic free in the bottles. Nothing is written on the bottle, but these are free of phthalates. The newer ranges are free of phthalates. I found it online when I was checking the info. For proper color payoff you will need 2 coats of these polishes, and I won't say that they dry fast. They will take a little time to dry, and they are kind of long lasting. They will last you for 4 to 5 days. Also non-staining nail polishes, they won't really stain your nails much, especially the lighter colors won't. And so far I know these nail paints are available only in prim finishes and not in matte polishes. So those were all the points, and in general I don't find anything to dislike about these nail polishes. I really like the finish, the consistency, the color payoff, and the price factor and the volume, and everything about this nail paints is really great. And especially the most beautiful thing about the nail paints is the finish, the gel effect in the finish. I really like this at this price. So everything about this nail paints gets a thumbs up from me. It's also available online and offline. and it's not really very much toxic free. That can be a negative point, but they're at least phthalate free. And another point, if you want to like give it a priority that they are not available in matte shades, if you want to give that a priority, you can, but I don't think that's really necessary, because I really like the cream finish polishes, and among the cream finish polishes, I think Avon would be a great option. That was all for today's video. I'm really a fan of Avon Pro nail paints, and I hope you are helped by this review. So please do comment and share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, because I keep reviewing a lot of nail polish brands, and I'm sure you guys will be helped by my reviews. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you with more videos. Bye.